Hi guys, today's topic is Herbst Appliance. The Herbst Appliance is a fixed function appliance primarily used to correct class 2 malocclusion caused by retruded mandible. Indications of Herbst Appliance. The treatment with Herbst Appliance may be completed within 6 to 9 months. Secondly, since the appliance is fixed, it can begin about changes in short time and have the advantage of continuous wear of 24 hours a day. Thirdly, it is effective on chronic snoring and mild to moderate obstructive sleep apnea. Specifically, it is indicated as an anterior repositioning splint in patients having temporomandibular joint disorder. There are two types of Herbst appliances. They are banded and bonded. In banded Herbst appliance, in which the upper first molars and lower first premolars, canines and molars are banded. In bonded Herbst appliance, utilizes a wire reinforced acrylic splint or cast metal. This splint covers the occlusal and parts of buccal and lingual surfaces of all teeth except anteriors. Here comes the design of Herbst appliance. The appliance is a piston and tube mechanism extending between the maxilla and mandible, that is upper jaw and lower jaw. It consists of bilateral telescopic mechanism that maintains the mandible or lower jaw in a continuously protruded position. It consists of a tube into which the plugger or the rods, which is attached to the mandibular arch in canine region, and the tube which is fixed to the distal end of the maxillary molars. Treatment effects of Herbst appliance. It encourages the forward growth of mandible, overjet reduction, and incubatory influence on the sagittal maxillary growth. As like other fixed appliances, the advantages and disadvantages of Herbst as follows. Advantages are, it can be used in patients with minimum growth potentials, and it can also be used in patients with mouth breathing habits, as the duration is short and is a fixed functional appliance. The forces are produced continuous in nature. And some of the disadvantages are, appliance prone to repeat breakage and loosening, as seen in many fixed appliances. And secondly, the gingival health is a main concern, and initially, due to difficulty and discomfort in chewing and speaking can be experienced. Thank you.